Which of the following virus has caused thousands of deaths globally? Was an emergent virus. Which one of the following toxic metal is extensively present in the newspaper? Among the following, which one is a diploblastic organism? New alleles can be introduced in a population genes pool by. The number of alveoli in human lungs is estimated to be around. NADP plus is an smooth muscles, cardiac muscles, and glands are regulated by. Grant's anatomy characteristics features of at level above dash sound turn into harmful noise. Choose the correct article. Wait for me by dash school gates at 4 o'clock. Dash gland is pea-sized. Terrestrial biodiversity is generally found to be greater near the. Identify the pollutants responsible for curling of leaves. The total age of A and B is 12 years more than the total age of B and C. How many years is C younger than? Savannas are polymorphism is a characteristic of phylum, a species that can inhabit different geographical areas. The chief atmospheric layer present near the surface of Earth is. How many base pairs are there in every helical turn of Watson-Crick double helix model? Basic democracy system came in Pakistan in. The average of four consecutive odd number is 24. Find the largest number. Out of the following, which is not a stop codon? Term paleotropies explains when bird vertebrae are. Where are histamine secreting cells found? During meiosis, when does synapses occur? Glottis opens on the floor of. Dash is produced by seaweeds. In which country does the desert city Timbuktu lie? Which of the following is a rich source of B vitamins? World Environment Day is. The activity of succinate dehydrogenase is inhibited by. Splitting of atoms is also called. Female sex organs of bryophyta is. Which of the following is the example of gram-negative bacteria? Rubisco content of chloroplast is. Find a mismatch. Dash leads to the formation of canal system in sponges. Biose is stored in. Interferon is made by. Name the cell line of the human embryonic lung. Who met the Khatme Nabiyun Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam at the first heaven during Miraj? NADPH2 is produced by the enlarged ripened opening ovary is. Of the following, which one is not a search engine? Deposition of cDNA into the inert structure is known as. Name the camel which the Holy Prophet was riding on the migration of Medina. Smog is composed of. The least porous soil among the following is. Staphylococcus aureus was isolated by. Dash is an enzyme that forms covalent bonds between restriction fragments. Mendel was an Australian. What is the unit of genetic map? Trisomy of dash leads to Pasteur syndrome. Human immunodeficiency virus HIV affects. Dash is the sensitive layer of eye. Dengue virus belongs to. Identify the feeding mode of the extinct conodonts. How many pairs of cranial nerves are usually associated with the fish brain? Activity of one gene is suppressed by the activity of a non-allelic gene. Site for the active synthesis of ribosomal RNA. Primary carboxylation in C3 plants is carried out by the enzyme. secretes glucagon hormone. The cross of F1 offspring with any of the parents is known as. The larva of lobster is known as. Phonetic classification of organism is based on. The headquarters of Shanghai Cooperation Organization is in. Sister chromatids move towards opposite poles in which phase of mitosis? Water movement from cell to cell through plasma Every statement have a subject and a. In gram staining, iodine is used as a. Which of the following is the nervous state of the world? Certain genetic defects such as L-captonuria and albinism is described by. Which form of DNA is described by Watson-Crick model? The non-protein part of an enzyme. Western blotting is the technique used for the determination of. Identify the input sequence format in BLAST. The flag of which country is also known as the Union Jack. Male breast cancer is strongly linked with the mutation in. When white light is passed through a prism, it split into dash colors, which groups does not contain polyps. Identify which is not a thermostable polymerase. Apart from hearing, what other major body function is performed gives rise to. Tropical rainforests are found in the area where average annual rainfall is. Polyphyletic relationship can be presented by during Krebs cycle direct ATP production per glucose molecule is the world's tallest man-made waterfall is basic taxonomic unit is called how much of globulin is present in human serum. Pakistan's largest export partner is in the evolution of modern man from his ancestor. Identify the most significant trend when individual somatic cells contain three sex chromosomes. This is called totipotence as shown by silk that is obtained from the silk moth during who received the Nobel Prize for Literature in 2016. Number of cotyledons in Z maize, Cycas and Pinus. Which one of the following is the first reaction in photo respiration? जाना जाना किसका मजमुआ कलाम है बाय हुक और बाय क्रुक के दुरुस्त मतलब का इंतखाब कीजिए वीडियो